Hi everyone, I'm Kumari. Welcome to Tamang Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook little bit thicker dal, which is tur dal or raharko dal. Raharko dal is Nepali name. What you call in your language, let me know in the comment box. We call it raharko dal. So I have taken soak wash raharko dal, and then I'm going to give 4 whistle and then going to give tadka. It's really simple. I have added turmeric and salt to taste and water and just 1 teaspoon ghee, and then give 4 whistle, and then after that we'll give the tadka using lots of ghee, and then also cumin seeds and whole red chili and ginger garlic chop, and then onion and tomato chop and cilantro chop. It's really tasty. Usually we eat all time one type of dal, so you can change to cook these types of dal a little bit thicker than usual. And as you know, I have like changing dal, not eat every day same type of dal. That's why I have cooked this dal, so you can try these types of dal. Guys, thank you for watching my video, and let me know in the comment box if you like my video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. It's free. Whenever I upload video on Tamang Kitchen, you will be notified. And as you know, I have lots of momos recipes, and then you can, if you are in Malaysia, then you can visit momo at ampang shop, and then you can order from Grab Food and Food Panda, deliver it, bungus it. There are available, which is convenient for you guys. Thank you, bye bye, see you next time with next video. नमस्ते, म कुमारी। यहाँहरु सबैजनालाई तामाङ किचनमा स्वागत छ। म आज धेरै दिनपछि तामाङ किचनमा भिडियो लिएर आएकी छु। यहाँहरुलाई जतिजनाले मेरो पहिलेको भिडियोमा लाइक गरिदिनु भएको छ, यहाँहरुलाई धन्यवाद छ। लाइक गरिदिनु भएकोमा कमेन्ट गरिदिनुस्, लाइक गरिदिनुस्, सब्स्क्राइब गरेर बेल आइकनलाई प्रेस गरिदिनुस्। 1 पैसा पनि लाग्ने छैन, एकदम फ्री हो, नडराइकन सपोर्ट गरिदिनुस् भन्न चाहन्छु। मैले रहरको दाल अलिकति थिक रहरको दाल बनाउन लाग्छु। यहाँहरुलाई मन पर्दै पर्दैन, रेसिपीलाई ट्राई गर्नुस् भन्न चाहन्छु। र यहाँहरु मलेसियामा केएलमा हुनुहुन्छ भने मोमो एट अम्पङ शपमा ग्राब फुड अवेलेबल छ। ग्राब फुडमा सर्च गरेर हेर्नु होला। मोमो मन पर्छ भने अर्डर गर्नु होला भन्न चाहन्छु। आजको लागि यति नै, बाइ बाइ।